have a very select list of brands that we carry just because we've been very meticulous in weeding out only those brands that we think are high quality.
Oric is not a single season company. They have products that'll accomplish all the goals and all the needs in all the seasons.
So the Trailblazer by Oric is a really, really cool solution. It's loaded up to 650 pounds. But what's really cool about it is you can actually go up steps with it.
So another product that they have is a really neat machine. It's a brush rover. It's a 2-wheel, 4-wheel machine. You know, use it for brush cutting and cutting down saplings, and you can do slopes. You can do any rough terrain, hilly area.
So the Snowbull actually is a great solution if you have sidewalks that you need to clear and you need to get through some pretty heavy snow.
They have flail mowers that help cut down, really thick stuff. And really give a good quality finish. They have tillers for during the early spring or the late fall. Anything regarding snow-related stuff, it has a purpose, and everything has its pros and cons. And there's a lot of situations where the Snow Rhino just maximizes every factor of that. What it does is it allows you to do all these sidewalks and miles of sidewalks and just keep going with one man. Oric has been around since 1948. They have great ideas, and they're able to accomplish great things.